Welcome to Financial Markets, the inaugural course in the new Master of Science in Finance, or MSF program, here at Georgetown University's McDonough School of Business. I'm Alan Eberhardt, Professor of Finance and Director of the program, and I'm thrilled to be teaching the course with my colleagues Sandeep Dahiya and Lee Pinkowitz.
We're going to each be the lead instructor for 2 of the units in this course, and we'd like to give you an idea of what each of those units is going to be like.
Businesses make decisions, billion-dollar decisions, about launching new products, entering new markets, putting together new production facilities. How do you assign value to these cash flows that are going to occur way out in the future when you compare it to the cash that is going out today? This is what the tool set, the time value of money, allows us to do.
In Unit 2, we're going to talk about bonds. And a bond can be thought of as a promissory note or a contract where the issuer of the bond agrees to pay the buyer of the bond some money in the future in exchange for some money today. And a fundamental question in finance is, how much should the buyer of that bond be willing to give the issuer of the bond? We're going to answer that question in this unit with a focus on government bonds.
So Alan just covered government bonds. These are securities issued by the governments. In this unit, we'll be focusing on securities issued by corporations. For example, corporate bonds or corporate equity. How do you value corporate bonds, corporate stock is the focus of this unit on security valuation.
The 4th unit is about risk and return. When we think about securities, we try to think, if I invest in them, what will I get? That's the return part. But not all securities are equal. That's the risk part. Is there a trade-off between risk and return? We'll first take a look at this historically and say, how do we even define risk? And how do we measure return? And what does the trade-off seem to be? And that's what we're going to do in this unit. It's me again. In this unit, we're going to build on our discussion of risk and return, except we're going to talk about how do we measure risk and return when we combine assets together into a portfolio. That's what we're going to talk about with portfolio theory. We're actually going to see that the concept of risk changes when we put things together in a portfolio. It's what we call diversification. And that's going to be the focus of this unit.
Unit 6 is the last unit in this course, and it covers a big topic. How do financial markets work? There are 2 competing views on this. On the one hand, we have the efficient markets view. On the other hand, we've got the behavioral finance view, and we're going to have a cage match between these 2 views in this unit. So welcome to Financial Markets, the first course in the MSF program. We look forward to seeing you in the live sessions.